Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and payment details so purchases go smoothly. Once done, open the Stagecoach app and allow location access so it can show nearby stops. Tap the search box and type your destination, or pick a saved route to save time. The app shows live services and estimated times. Use that to choose the correct service. This first step gets you from zero to selecting a real trip quickly, avoiding confusion at the bus shelter. Once you've picked a stop, compare real-time departures and select the service that suits your timing and transfer needs. This avoids missed connections. Tap fare to choose single, return, or a travel card and apply any available discounts. The app explains fare zones so you know what's covered. Confirm passenger count and concession types to get accurate pricing. Make sure the journey details match your plan before you proceed to payment. Incorrect options cost time and money. Finish payment using your saved card or a new method, and immediately save the ticket to your wallet or screenshot it for offline access. This prevents last-minute connectivity problems. Activate the mobile ticket just before boarding and present the QR code or ticket number to the driver. That's the standard validation step. If the ticket doesn't appear, retry payment checksum, close and reopen the app, or use the app's support chat for a quick resolution. Keeping a screenshot is your best fall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.